Hi, we are Harold and Javier, two of the six members of the group tour, and now we are going to talk about the London Museum and the Bank of England. Harold is going to start with the London Museum.
Yesterday we went to visit Museum of London. We can find something England citizens used in the prehistory age and medieval age. There are weapons like axes and swords. We had seen where people lived. There are an old house which was built with wood. Also, we saw a medieval bed. The most important of the museum was Great Fire London history. The fire started in a bakery, and the fire burned all city because the houses were made with wood.
Well, the Bank of England, I want to talk about it. It's the central bank of the United Kingdom, and it's situated in London in the Threadneedle Street, and it's near a bank station. It's a tube station that has the same name because the bank was built in 1694, and it was the first central bank in the history. In the bank, one of the functions is the control of the money, that is the pounds, and all the economy of the country, like the interest and things like that. And the Bank of England, like the French and German bank, at the start was a private bank, but now it's the bank of all the citizens of the United Kingdom.
Okay.